It's recording.
Okay. You've had a very stressful week.
Yeah, it's not been. We've had some people going and fixing our fences. However, that means some of our fences have been down, or like not down, but not as stable. And every day they have gotten out.
Oh. And it's kind of hold back buffalo, I would imagine.
What was that?
It's hard to hold back buffalo.
Yes, it is. You're very determined. Like, we have barbed wire fences that they will just knock down.
Yeah. Okay, Cassie. Should we go back to the beginning with? Alexa, should we go back to the beginning with Cassie?
Sure.
Okay. Okay, Cassie, I don't know if you were able to load up that chi-square Excel tab.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure I was able to get it working earlier.
Okay, go ahead and go to if you can, load up so we can show you how, because we kind of had to talk through it as well.
Yeah.
Go to the Excel sheet that we've used the last two lessons, and the third tab says a chi-square. Okay, so pull that up.
Yep.
And then, in the top there where it says the count, you can empty it out, and I can read to you what numbers to put in based on and then we can kind of show you where all this junk is.
Okay.
Okay, so column 1 is 250, and then right below that is 200. And then on column 2 is 300, and right below that 150. And then column 3 is 50 and 50.
50 and 50?
Now, where Alexis and I were getting a little bit confused is on her first one and my second one, we put in the totals. So you don't put any of the totals in.
Okay.
Okay. So under number 1, under question 3, the null hypothesis on this is that they are independent. Is that right, Alexis? The alternative is that they are not independent. So it would be number C. And then, okay, so on that pie chart, to the right of it, you see where it says test statistic and DF?
Yeah.
Okay, so DF is the degrees of freedom. Okay, so that's where you find the number when you go to look for it. But you find the degree of freedom by you multiply the number of rows minus 1 times the number of columns minus 1.
Okay.
Okay. And then on number 5, it says, what is the degree of freedom for this? What did you get?
2.
Okay, so that's the answer for that one.
No barking.
And then on question 6, you have to have how's it go, Alexis?
So in the lesson, one second. Requirements. So there are 2 requirements. 1, you must use simple random sampling to obtain a sample from a single population. And then 2, each expected count must be greater than or equal to 5.
Okay, so if you go look at that chart underneath the top one, and the second little column says expected count. Like it says row 1, row 2, row 3, and you see where it says expected count? Okay, so every expected count has to be, what, equal to or greater than 5, Alexis? Yeah. So that would be A, Cassie. And then on question 7, you look over to the right and see where it says statistics. Okay, that is the x squared. So whatever that says in there, you put in.
So 16.
0.204. Is that what yours says? So that's the answer for that one, we think.
Right?
Okay.
I feel confident, but you never know.
I'm always surprised. And then question 8, you look at the p-value.
You put like 0 or 0.001.
Well, I put 0.000 because a 3 is not greater than 5.
Yeah.
5 or greater. Round up, you keep it. That's what I did.
That's what I did too.
Okay.
And then question 9, we put A because
The P is low.
the p-value is low, so the null hypothesis must go. And the null is that they're dependent. So we're going with the fact that the alternative means they're not independent. We think.
Yeah, well, that makes sense.
I hope we're right, Lori.
Okay. Whatever. I mean, we'll figure it out. Okay,
True.
then we can just go ahead and give you the answers for the next. You don't have to plug in all the numbers, okay?
Okay.
So Alexis, you tell her.
So 11 is 8. Oh, wait, sorry. 10 is true.
Yeah.
11 is 8. And Lori, if I get these wrong, just let me know.
Okay.
12, I got 7.436.
What?
What?
7.436. Where do you see that?
Look on the right-hand corner of the chi-square test and look under test statistic.
Yeah, mine says 99.707.
99? Oh.
Oh, wait. Wait, I just clicked off of the last. Oh, wait a minute. Hold on. Hey, yeah, 142. Oh, you know what? I put in 70 instead of 170.
Oh.
Okay. See, I've got to double check those numbers.
Yeah, because it's so easy to mess up.
Yeah, because I put in 70, so instead of 170. So now I have 7.436.
Yes, that's what I got.
Okay.
And then the p-value was 0.490. And then for 14, I could be wrong, but I put B. Is that what you put, Lori?
Well, no, but you're right because I had a different p-value because I put in a wrong number.
Oh.
So if the p is high, you keep the guy, which means that the null hypothesis is correct. So we have insufficient evidence okay, so it would be B.
Yes, that's what I got.
Okay.
Perfect.
All right.
Hoping for the best.
What? Yeah. At this point, I'm like, whatever. I am going to submit this. Okay.
Okay. I'm happy because I feel way more confident on this test next week.
We got 100%.
What?
Got 100%.
Yay!
It's a little easier because of these spreadsheets.
It's so true. That was way easier.
Yeah. What were you saying, Cassie?
I was saying I love it does everything for you. Just plug it in. And those long equations or.
Yeah.
Thank you both for being so patient with me.
Well,
No problem.
it was me yesterday, but I decided to play cookie yesterday, and I was with some friends, and we just had a huge girls' day. and we left at 8 in the morning and didn't get home till 11 at night.
Oh, fun.
Oh, fun.
So we went caving.
Fun.
And a bunch of different stuff. So that's why I knew I wouldn't be able to get a hold of you, because I was going to be in a cave.
You know what? You deserve that time off. I sure want one.
Yeah. Okay, so let's talk about our project next real quick.
We could probably turn off the live, Cassie.
Oh, sure.
Okay.